Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have your project open. Start by verifying your HTML semantics. Ensure a nav contains a list of links so browsers and assistive tech understand navigation. Once done, link your main CSS and add the viewport meta for responsive behavior. Inspect the DOM with developer tools and reload while editing so you see changes immediately. Make sure there are no duplicate ID and remove inline styles that conflict. This prevents styling surprises and lets you control layout predictably. You now build the layout. Apply display, flex, or grid to the nav container to align items and control spacing. Use justify content and gap instead of margins for robust spacing. For persistent bars, choose position, sticky for flow-friendly behavior or position, fixed for always on top. Add a high z-index to avoid overlap. Next, implement a mobile toggle that adds a class to expand or collapse the menu. Keep the JS minimal and toggle area expanded for accessibility, so screen readers report state changes correctly. You're close. Validate the final navigation by testing on desktop, tablet, and small phones. Make sure links are reachable by keyboard and that focus styles are visible. Optimize by minifying CSS and deferring non-critical scripts to avoid layout shifts. Once done, audit for performance and accessibility issues and verify color contrast. If something breaks, the key troubleshooting tip. Inspect computed styles and layout in DevTools to find overriding rules or conflicting z-index values.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.